Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Vulgar Penguin token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Vulgar Penguin is a community-driven meme token on Binance Smart Chain that transforms a viral Chinese internet penguin meme into a crypto culture phenomena with no intrinsic utility. Vulgar Penguin is fundamentally a decentralized internet culture and experiment using blockchain to amplify a grassroots symbol of general identity. As it evolves, will its community sustain culture relevance beyond meme cycle? Vulgar Penguin token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is also 1 billion Vulgar Penguin token. Vulgar Penguin token is listed on Binance Alpha, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.